What's up, guys? Are you new to photography or even thinking about getting into it, but you're a little bit confused on what camera to buy, what lenses, exposures? Don't worry, I got you covered. Come on. What's up, guys? Welcome to the channel. My name's Jack Beck. I'm from Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, and I'm a fairly new photographer myself. In fact, I've only had my camera about 4 or 5 months. But in that 4 or 5 month period, I've been able to take some absolute banger photos. A few were even featured on a local travel website. By the way, you can check out all my photos over on Instagram at JackBeck360. Now, I do all my photography on a basic camera setup, nothing fancy. Photography isn't about having the best gear. Sure, having an expensive camera or $2,000 lenses is nice, but that alone isn't going to make you a better photographer. The reason I've been able to excel so quickly is because the amount of reading and research I've done on composition, exposure, focal lengths, shutter speeds, and I also watch hours and hours and hours of different people's content from channels right here on YouTube. Seriously, I watch a lot of YouTube. It's a problem. One of the reasons that I like watching so many different channels and creators is because there's so many different types of photography. You've got portrait, landscape, product, street photography, and everybody has their own unique style. By taking inspiration from them, that will help you develop your own personal style. But one of the things I notice on a lot of the channels that I like, they're not really made for new photographers. A lot of them are super experienced people that have gear like drones and gimbals. That's why I'm making this channel, so people like me and you, or even people in the future, can have something to refer to, almost like a roadmap, as far as what you really do need to buy in the beginning, how to understand the exposure triangle, how to edit. Like I said, I don't have a super expensive camera, but I do have a good entry-level camera. That's the same with my lenses back there. It doesn't stop me from taking great shots. It's more about getting that good composition with the right lighting and putting a good edit on it in post. I try to learn something new every day that I can use in the field, and I want to help you guys do the same. In the next few videos, I'll be showing you guys the gear that I personally use. Each item will have its own video where I'll show you guys the things that I like and dislike about it, the camera I chose and why I chose it, the lenses that I picked. I'll show you guys some accessories and how and what I edit with. I'll also be making videos every time I upgrade something in my kit, and I'll let you guys know how that item is, if you should buy it or not, as far as new bags, tripods, lenses, filters. Maybe, and this is a huge maybe, down the line we'll do some vlogging, but I don't really know if that's my cup of tea. We'll see. I'd like to get you guys involved too on the channel. I don't know how yet. Maybe with some photo critique videos, you guys can send them to me. I'll tell you what I think, or maybe even some photo challenges. That sounds a little interesting. I'm probably way more curious as to what's going to happen on this channel as you guys are right now. But if you are, make sure you hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. It really does help the channel out way more than you think. Don't forget to hit the bell so you know every time I upload new content. Leave some comments down there. Let me know what kind of camera you guys have, what kind of lenses you guys are using, what you guys want to see on the channel. I'm open to suggestions. And if you have Twitch, you could follow me over there, JackSavage095. I recently got Twitch affiliate. Yeah. I'll leave the link in the description to that too. And let me know how I did. This is the first time I ever did anything like this. First video. Let me know if you liked it or not. I'll see you guys.